Hello students, I am Kinjal Parmar. Welcome back to the video lecture series of Digital Fundamental. Today we will discuss serial in, parallel out, shift register. So let's start with the definition of shift register. So here we have a definition of shift register. This shift register is basically a group of flip-flops. Okay, this shift register is basically a group of flip-flops in which our data is stored. Okay, this shift register is basically a group of flip-flops in which our data is stored, but our data is stored here by means of shifting. Okay, so this shift register is basically a group of flip-flops in which our data is stored by means of shifting, and here we have a serial in, parallel out, shift register. So this serial in, parallel out, shift registers can accept data in a serial form. Okay, this register accept data in a serial form, that means one bit at a time. Here we have a serial in, right? Serial in, that means our data is entered into a register by serial form, that means one bit at a time. So one by one, according to clock pulse, our data get entered into a shift register, but our data can out, that means at the output side our data is produced in a parallel form. Okay, so in this serial in, parallel out, so here we have a parallel out, that means our data is stored into a register, and in a output side, that means in this serial in, parallel out, shift register, our data is stored and our data is shifted, and at the output side our data are present parallelly. Okay, that means all bits are present at the output side. That's why this is known as parallel out. That means our data, all datas are present at the output side, so that this register is known as a serial in, parallel out, shift register. That means data can enter into a register one bit at a time, that means in a serial form, and data can get out, that means at the output side all bits are present. Okay, so this is parallel out. Here we have a basic block diagram for serial in, parallel out, shift registers. Okay, here we have a 4-bit serial in, parallel out, shift register. Okay, so this is 4-bit serial in, parallel out, shift register. So here our data can enter 1 bit at a time. So here at a D1 we have a serial input. Okay, at a D1 we have a serial input and our data is shifted like this, and here we have a output at a Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Okay, in a serial in, serial out we have a just connections over here. At the intermediate stage we do not have any idea about bits. Okay, we have a no idea about bits, but here in a parallel out we have a connections like this. So this Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 bits are present at the output side. In a serial in, serial out we have a output at only Q4, but here in parallel out we have a bits at this Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. That's why this is known as a parallel out. So here we have a bits present at Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. That means parallel output, and our data is entered only at D1, that means serially in. Okay, so our data gets entered one by one, and then our data can shifted like this. Okay, then at each and every stage we have our output data, and here for a 4-bit this serial in, parallel out, shift registers, our data can get entered, and this data is present at the output side after 4th clock pulse. Okay, after 4 clock pulse our data is present at the output side. So here if we entered our data 0, so this data is basically present at the Q1 side. Okay, so at a Q1 stage we know that we have a 0, and at a Q2, Q3, Q4 we have a right now nothing. Then next our data is present, that is 1, so this 0 is shifted and here we have our 0 data, because here we connect Q1 with D2, that means whatever the output of first flip-flop is given to the second flip-flop, whatever the output of second flip-flop is given to the third flip-flop, then whatever the output of third flip-flop is given to the fourth flip-flop. So for shifting we connect like this. Okay, so whenever new bit is arrived our data is shifted like this and this bit is present over here. Okay, so here we have a 1 at a Q1 and 0 at a Q2. Okay, so after second clock pulse we have a data like this 1 0. Then after third clock pulse we have this bit 0. Okay, so this 0 is entered over here, so for that our data is transferred like this. 1 is transferred at a Q2 and this 0 is entered at this side. Okay, so this is how our data can enter. Then after fourth clock pulse here we have a next bit, so this bit is transferred over here. So this 0 is shifted at a Q4, this 1 is shifted at a Q3. So this 0 is shifted at a Q2 and this 1 is entered over here. So parallelly we have all bits. So here in this serial in parallel out shift register we have a output at each and every stage. Okay, here we have a output for each and every stage, but for a 4-bit data we have to check output at the fourth clock pulse, because this 4-bit requires to enter into a flip-flops at after 4 clock pulse. Okay, that's why we have to wait for a 4 clock pulse to check parallel out data. Okay, here we have this basic table for serial in parallel out shift register. So here initially our data is here, then this LSB is entered into a Q1 when first clock pulse is applied, then for a second clock pulse next bit is applied and the data of first flip-flop is transferred over here. So basically at a Q2 we have a 0 and at a Q1 we have a 1. Then after third clock pulse the next bit is applied, so here we have a Q1 is equals to 0, Q2 is equals to 1 and Q3 is equals to 0. Okay, then after fourth clock pulse this 1 is entered into a first flip-flop, so here we have our data, that is Q1 is equals to 1, Q2 is equals to 0, Q3 is equals to 1 and Q4 is equals to 0. So this is how our data can enter one bit at a time, but for each and every stage we have a output bit. That's why this is known as parallel out. Okay, so this is how serial in parallel out shift register work. Our data can entered into a register by means of serial form, that means one bit at a time, and parallel out, that means at the output side all bits are present. So okay, at the output sides all bits are present. So this is how serial in parallel out shift register works. Thank you.